Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IDEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the crazy day on this one, and not you even saying the word day is a little deceiving because for the majority of the day, nothing was going on, and then all of a sudden, the drama occurred this afternoon. Volume came pouring in, and the price reacted very nicely with it, which brings about the more than valid question of, all right, yeah, that was a great move, but is there any sort of true power behind it? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area down here. Now, let's see, what is that? $1.25. Why is $1.25 important? And I'm not saying at all that this was going to happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down there, behave in that manner, then work its way to the downside, what would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of that range where it just was. I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, to be fair, no price can go straight up, so maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, in this set of circumstances, you'd have lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote progress, I'm defining as being right down there around that $1.25 mark. So keep a close eye on that. Now, in the event this thing just wants to continue to work itself higher and higher, first key level of resistance is going to be right here at that pink line, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average. Current value of that, we'll just call it $1.45. But then if the price can push up through there, I mean, this thing's got some room to run as the next level of resistance, really not until, I guess not. Never mind. I mean, it can still run, but not as much room as I thought it did because you have the next level right up there at $1.50. But if you get through $1.50, then yeah, there's plenty of room to run because next level of resistance not until then up around the $1.67 mark. But all in all, big movement today. Not just a question of, is this the start of something bigger? Well, let's see if the price can show some signs of progress. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.